Today we'll be making orange squash, and for this delicious drink you will need 6 oranges, 2 lemons, 1 peeler, 1 sachet of cream of tartar, a knife, just in case you don't have a peeler. You will also need a juicer, a measuring cup up to 1000 milliliters, and 500 grams of sugar. Once you've done that, you will need to measure the sugar out to 500 grams. Then you will need to place the sugar in the water. So I've used a measuring pad. Please don't be too surprised by how much sugar you need to put in. It is surprisingly much more than it seems. That's only 113, if you can see. Can you see it coming over the top? That has only reached 259 grams. So once you've measured out the sugar, you should put it in the water. Once you've done that, you should stir it. To make the sugar dissolve, you will need to turn on the heat. Once you've heated it up, it will have to heat down on its own. Whilst it's heating, you should cut your oranges and peel your oranges. You will need the rind, so don't do it over a bin. So after you've cut the rind off, aka skin, you'll need to de-seed the oranges by cutting them in half and squeeze. These bits here will catch the seeds if I've missed out any. So once you've peeled all of them and juiced them, you'll need to move over to your sugar carefully and pour in. So after that, you will need to put the rind in. Don't worry, you'll need to sieve this out afterwards. Therefore, you won't need to drink it. Now, once you put all of that in their case, you'll need to do the lemons. So once you've rinded the lemons and juiced them, you need to put the rind in. You can see that the lemon has a whiter side than the orange, yet that hence the orange has been boiled. So once you've done that, you'll need the lemon. Cut it in half, then juice it. This could get a bit messy. If you are a bit squeamish when you get this in your eyes, I would advise putting on safety goggles. So once you've juiced the lemons, pour them in with the orange. Stir and bring to the boil. So you will need a funnel, and now you will need your bottles. Make sure your bottles are nice and clean before you put the juice in using the funnel. Next, you will need to put your cream of lovely tartar in the mixture, and the process is amazing. Sizzles, bubbles, even better when you do that. Stir. Once it's cooled down, use a soup ladle to scoop up the liquid and drain it into a sieve, into a bowl. Serving suggestions are: serve it up with at least 1/4 of the glass you're pouring the squash into with the squash, and the rest with water. Ice would be good, or a little bit of a cool jar with a cool straw or something. Hope you enjoyed this delicious summer squash drink. I dedicate this to my lovely teachers at Kingswood Primary School.